what's a story where Elica's collaboration with this design team really paid off?
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of a job that we had several years ago. It was in Miami, Florida, and it was a really super high end project. It was with the Four Seasons, and there was about 100 and some villas that they were building all on the water, just amazing panoramic views. And we were working with the designer and the builder on this. The builder we worked with other projects and stuff, and we got into them. They kind of wanted an Italian product. They really wanted Elica is the bottom
Mhm.
line. And but they had one big problem: is that this place, these villas were just enormous, and they had literally 14 to 17 foot high ceilings.
Okay.
And they had this glorious kitchen, and they needed an island hood, and they did not want to do like a traditional downdraft at all. Just from a performance standpoint, these are really gourmet kitchens, and they really wanted the performance of a horizontal range hood. And so the problem is there's no manufacturer that's making chimneys that go to 17 feet. I'm sorry, not even Elica. And so you could get one custom fabricated, one off, but it would be challenging to do, very expensive, and it's not going to give you the same design that they look. And so they were really pushing from a design standpoint. They wanted to do this, and so I went back to the plant, and along with being pushed by my sales guy, and we're not. You have to understand, Elica is not a just custom house, not even close. We're building literally 100,000 hoods a month. Okay, this is a high velocity facility in North America. I mean, it's all automated, a lot of automation in there. We're robotics for to maintain the quality and to do the brushing, to do the welding. It's a very high velocity plant. So we're not going to come in here and just do custom work. But I said, hey, this is a high profile deal. This is an important builder, an important deal, a designer. And I needed to do it. And they did it. And it was an island. So it's not, they custom fabricated all these chimneys, and they custom fabricated the skeleton. This is an island. So you have a skeleton underneath the duck covers. So the duck covers were crafted, the skeletons were crafted to the proper length, and each unit was not the same. So it wasn't all 17 foot. There were some buildings were 17 high, some were 14, some were 15. So it was a total mix. But the plant came through, and our engineering staff and our prototype department just nailed it. And at the end of the day, we were just wonderful to be a part of this project. The builder was super happy. The designer was elated, and it was a big success. So, that would be one where I think working with designers paid off.
That's impressive because it could have very easily been from the factory just a stiff arm. Nope, we don't do it. We can't do it, and
Yeah.
going to have to figure something else out. So that's huge and that's exciting.